Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use 4 points today discuss here, and CATIA lecture 16 का A और 16 का B two lecture is a very important in CATIA, or CATIA is a constraint mention all dimension. Okay, CATIA lecture 16 का A is discuss here and next lecture 16 का B discuss here. Okay, CATIA lecture 16 का A 4 point discuss here. You can see here, first point is constraint, second point is contact constraint, third point is fixed together, fourth point is auto constraint. So all 4 point one by one discuss here and easily and clearly. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface and one by one discuss here. First point is a constraint, second point is contact constraint, third point is fixed together, and fourth point is auto constraint. Okay, this is a constraint point discuss here, and this is a constraint, and second is a contact constraint, and third is a fixed together, and fourth is a auto constraint. In all 4 point is discussed here. Okay, and one point is extra is a constraint defined in dialog box. Constraints defined in dialog box, this point is also discussed here. Okay, guys, this is a constraint point. Constraint points means this is a all point is white color and this is a 2 point is green color. This is a partial defined. Okay, this is a partial defined and this is a not defined. इसलिए any design, any drawing create a center point is very good, because center point is drawing any drawing. 2 line is a constraint already and 2 line is a not constraint, or anywhere drawing a rectangle, then all 4 line is not constraint. Okay, this is a first point and this is a second point is a okay, this all point is constraint, or change the value is double click here or 70. Okay, and this is a 80. Okay, change the value. All is green color is fully defined and this is not defined, but okay, this point and this point, this line and this line. Okay, this is a very important point. This pink color is over defined. Okay, any drawing a body, any drawing a rectangle, a circle, any design created, a pink color is over defined. Okay, this is a delete here and all, this is a delete here. Okay, this is a okay, this is a delete here. Okay, and this point is a this line and this line is a, and also this and this is a okay, this is a all is a defined. Okay, and change the value. This is a 80 and this is a 50. This value is 50 and this value is also 50 and this value is also 30. Okay, this is a fully defined, but any point, any constraint is delete here, then this is a this point is green color, means this is a constraint, and this is a this line is a white color, means this is a not, this is a under constraint. Okay, any body designed or created, this is a fully defined, this is a under defined, this is a partial defined. Fully defined, fully, this means fully defined, this is a partial defined, yeah, under defined. Okay, and this body is a created, and this is a fully defined. Okay, and two line is a delete here. Okay, this line is a delete here, and this body is a drag, this is a degree of freedom. Okay, this body is drawing a degree of freedom is x-axis, and this is a, this define is connect here, this degree of freedom is not defined. Okay, so any body, this body is defined, this body is this, and this is defined, this degree, this is a drag here and not a this. Okay, and this body is defined, all body is fixed, and all body is defined. Okay, okay. Next lecture is a contact constraint. Contact constraint means this body this body, this, okay, this line and this circle is contact, this is a tangential contact, and also contact means this circle and this circle is a constant, this is a concentric constant, this point is a concentricity, and this point is also a concentricity. Okay, and this, okay, this point is a, this is a size is increase and size is decrease. Okay, but one point is a fix, this is a fix together, but this is a open, and 2 point, first point and second point is a fix. Click OK, this is a not, this is drag here, this is a fix point. Okay, drag here, this is a fix point, and this okay, and this point, this circle, and okay, concentricity, this circle and this circle is, and this is a decrease and increase, but fix point is a first point, first circle. Click OK, but this circle is, okay, this is circle is same, but this circle is a increase and decrease. Okay, and also this circle is a click fix, but two circle is a fix. Okay, this is a line is fix. Okay, and last point is a, okay, all dimension is delete here. Okay, 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 and this is a also delete here. Okay, and this is also delete here. Okay, okay, this body is a, this body is a point is a auto constraint. Auto constraint means this auto constraint is active, is this body is a fully defined. Okay, this is active, and this body is a element, this select all, and this, and no reference element is select this y axis and x axis, this is a vertical and horizontal. Select OK, and this is a fully defined. Okay, 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 and change the value is a 90. Okay, and this is a 50, 60. Okay, this is a 60. Okay, and this 30, 40. Okay, this is a value change. Okay. So this is auto constraint, means this is any body is created, this circle is a, and this point is a auto constraint, means this body is select here, and reference is x axis and y axis. Okay, this is a okay, this body is fully defined. Okay, but two line is also constraint, but two line is a defined. This all four line is defined, but two line is this point is a not a center point, but this rectangle is connect center point. The first line and second line is also constraint, but this line is and this line is not constraint. The auto constraint is define this two line, and this four line is constraint. Okay, and one last point is a constraint defined in dialog. This is a constraint defined in dialog box. Okay, this line and this line, at first click here dialog box, then a line is a length fix, horizontal, vertical, all is a open, this is a horizontal. Okay, this okay, click, okay, this is a horizontal line. Okay, and okay, and any line is click here, any circle is click. Okay, any circle is click, and any line is okay, this. Okay, then first line and select second line. This first line control second circle is click, then this constraint defined in dialog box is open, then all is a click here, this is a tangency, means this point is a tangency. Okay, and this line is a click here, this is a vertical line, means this is a vertical line, this means okay, this is a vertical line, vertical lines means this is a vertical line. Okay, and also this is one line. Okay, this two circle is control, this circle is, this is a coincident concentricity. Okay, this is a concentricity is used. Okay, okay guys, CATIA lecture 16B coming soon, and 4 point today discuss here. First is constraint, second is contact constraint, third is fixed together, and fourth is auto constraint. All 4 point is discuss here, and next lecture coming soon, 16B. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.